Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and we are finally back in my beauty area. And we're gonna actually do some makeup today. But first I just want to thank all of you so much for the incredible love and support you've shown me after, my last video where I shaved my head. You guys blew me away, with the views. Thank you so much. Literally, in one day, I've gotten more views on that than I have on some videos for the last, 3 months. So, thank you so much for that. I feel so happy with it, and I've gotten it all, and, people keep asking, oh, are you joining the military? I'm like, no. I'm really happy with it. I needed that change in my life, for me to focus on me and my inner beauty. Okay, moving on to our outer beauty now. Today, well, I was weak and, okay, story time. I went to my physical therapy for my hip. I have bad hips. Nothing should be surprising there. I dance a lot. And then after that, I had to check my schedule for work. And then I go to work and yada yada. But I'm at the mall, so I have to go to Sephora, obviously. And I thought this was coming out tomorrow in stores, but it was out today. So I got the Anastasia Soft Glam and the Amrezy highlighter. And oh, I'm so happy because I saw that and I'm like, I'm getting that. So I got it. Long story short, I got more makeup. Like I need it anymore. But now I have all four of I have all four of the Anastasia palettes that are the line. I have Modern Renaissance, Subculture, Prism, and Soft Glam now. I didn't get the Mario palette, unfortunately, forever ago. I wish I got it. That palette was so pretty. But I digress. Alright, so if you guys are excited to see me do a kind of soft glam, and I'm excited to see what I look like with this hair, keep on watching. That's my so go-to thing. The last few days, I have been going to pull back my hair, and I ain't got no hair to pull back. And that's always how I did my video, so I'm like, this, still no hair. But okay, this is a big thing, because I'm I haven't had short hair when I do makeup, ever. I wasn't into makeup when I had short hair, because that was, years ago. So it's just weird to see me with short hair and makeup. And it's normal makeup, boy makeup, kind of. So it's gonna be interesting, and let's just get right to it and stop rambling. You want to see what's gonna happen with the Soft Glam. Get rid of that. And peeling off these things on the mirror is so satisfying. I love that. Also, the palette, the brush, which I actually really like this end for contouring my nose. That's what I use it for. And this end is nice when you want to diffuse a color. But that's all I use it for. But at least I use it. So this is the palette if you have not seen it. It's so pretty. It's so soft glam. And let's start with burnt orange. Decent amount of kickback on the pan. Not like Subculture. Great pigment. And great blendability. I'm already loving it. Next, I'm going to take... I'm going to take Sienna, and we're going to go the warmer route. And we're going to place it in the oh, that's pretty. Little fallout on the cheeks, but I don't care. This is a gorgeous color. Wow, that is pretty. Then I'm going to take mulberry, because I want more. Oh, that's a lot. A lot. Just, because I want more red in here too, and I'm going to just go right into the outer V area and crease. Okay, I'm loving this so much. It's so pretty. Okay, you know me. I like to be extreme, but I always end up doing soft, glam, kind of natural. I do nude eyes. I ain't gonna say anything about that. They ain't natural. But, like, this palette I'm kind of already obsessed with. I saw it and I'm like, oh, it's pretty, but, like, it's so natural. But I'm like, this is so nice. Oh, yeah. I would. Do you want to see swatches? I don't know if you want to see swatches. Swatches nowadays are kind of obsolete. That's not how they perform, but my god, these perform beautifully on the eye. Okay, so I have 3 colors that I can choose from. And that's bronze, this beautiful kind of glittery. I haven't even, oh. Oh my god, it's not gonna focus, is it? Just know that, these damn lights. Just know that this color is so beautiful. And, like, it's very antique bronzy, but it's so pretty. Oh, where did it? Containing my excitement. We have that, which is hecka pigmented. This one called Glistening. I have to swatch these two as well. Glistening right here. This one looks kind of like rose gold duochrome. And the last one that we have a possibility for the lid is Fairy, and this looks a little more pale gold. Yep, very kind of pale goldy. Right now, I'm gonna go with bronze because, oh, that pigment. Ooh, And obviously I'm gonna spray it because fallout. And hopefully it just kind of sticks better to the eye because I'm not using any primer. Well, I'm primed, but I'm not using any Shape Tape to cut my lid. I'm just going in with like a natural look for that. Alright, now I'm just gonna go back in with burnt orange and start smoking my lower lash line a bit. Then I'm gonna go back with sienna for more depth. And then lastly taking mulberry and right on the lash line. So now I'm just going to quick put on some of my Urban Decay 24/7 Perversion eyeliner. Just to give us a little more of a sultry look. I'm actually going to go in with Noir from this. And I'm not going to do a wing, but I'm going to just smoke out where I would. Because I feel like this look doesn't need a wing, it needs a smoke. Don't smoke, children. Bad for you. So to go with my soft glam, no pun intended, I'm going to use the Estee Lauder Pure Color Envy Lash Multi-Effects Mascara. Because I'm not going to do lashes today, because this is like a soft glam look. But I am going to obviously put on mascara. Right, now that I'm contoured, I also got another thing. Well, I already told you guys. Okay, it's no surprise. I got the Amrezy highlighter. This. Okay, like, it's blind. It's literally reflecting. It has a reflection. It has a dang reflection. Oh, yeah. Alright, so we're using the Amrezy Anastasia highlighter today. Like, just this pan, I can't. It's so pretty. You guys. Oh, and we're obviously using the Anastasia A23 brush. And we're just going to hit the pan. I told myself I was not going to buy more highlighter. And I bought more highlighter. But let's take, I've been saving this. I know you think I'm crazy for forgetting, but I'm going to take a small brush and we're going to highlight the inner corner. You thought I forgot. Ha! And then the brow bone. Finger. Yeah. I think it might just be my brush because, well, in store I used another brush to put it on and I'm like, oh, hi. And I used my finger for that and I'm just like, hi. You know what? We're gonna finger it. Just right there. Oh, yeah. Note to self, always finger. Alright, so for lips today, I'm going to go in with Hunty and Family Jewels from Jeffree Star's 2017 Summer Chrome Collection. I'm going to start with Family Jewels on the outer sides of my mouth, and then I'm going to ombre them in. So, like, I'm doing an ombre lip. Because I would do just Hunty, but I feel like that'd be too nude for this, and I want a little more definition. Alright, so here's the lip. And lastly, I have very little left of the facial spray with aloe, chamomile, and lavender from Mario Badescu. Because I use this religiously during show choir season because I love it so much. It smells so good and feels so nice on the skin. And I'm just going to doot on my face. You thought she was done with the fan. You was wrong, honey. Yeah, that feels good. So, here is the final look. It's so weird to see myself with short hair and makeup right now. I hope you guys enjoyed me using the Soft Glam palette from Anastasia and the Amrezy highlighter from Anastasia collab with Amrezy. I love them both. I was absolutely kind of shocked that I love this so much. It's so nice. I will be using it again for quite a few looks. The highlighter, I like, but I don't love. Like, you know what I mean? Like, it's pretty. It's definitely something it's like a collector item. It's beautiful on the skin. It's just not as glowy as I would prefer because I like to be blinding, you know? But thank you all so much for watching today. If you liked this video and you liked me, please feel free and hit that button down below and subscribe. Become a member of whatever we're gonna call ourselves because we're growing in numbers every day. We are almost, well, like, we're at like 220 something right now. So we're like halfway to a giveaway. And so, yeah, just promote my channel. Because if you want a giveaway, once we get to 500, you know what's gonna happen. I'm gonna do a giveaway. Starting it now. But also, like this video if you liked me, what I did today. If you didn't like me, still like my video, please. As well, hit that bell button so you get notified when I post, since I'll be posting more now, since show choir is over, I'm graduating, and I'm gonna actually be free for once in my life. I'm so happy. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching today. I love you all. Bye!